It's yours. Whatever you pick up is yours. Give me some heaven. Whatever you pick up is yours. Whatever you get yours.
Oh, no. I'm a visitor.
Come on, John, get in the frog-like position, son.
Great job. I don't know, some of you were here and some of you weren't when Lance was presented the plaque last week for the built Ford Trump. I don't know if you've seen the plaque, his name was there. That was a contest amongst all the dealers in this zone. As far as the F-Series sold, and he won that. So that's a big thing.
You know, the change we threw out is, you know, kind of what we're doing with car deals. You know, we're taking the easy ones and grabbing them. You know, we're taking the ones off the top and we're skimming off of them. You know, a better way of doing it is we need to work on every deal. There can't be a deal unworked. You know, no deal unworked, no chair unturned. Because if you look harder, there's even more money out there.
Marlon been here too.
Bingo.
Hey, you got all those dollars for it.
Okay, who got $100 in there. Man, somebody cut
I thought that was
Marlon was quick about that. Great job, Marlon.
Jason Cummings.
The point of that is it's not always the easy ones laying in front of us that pays off the most. It's the ones where we dig in, we follow up, we don't think it's a deal, and we work hard. That's the ones that pay off the most. It wasn't the little ones laying around in front of him. It was the ones under the chair that paid off the most. So, you know, just a little analogy to make us think about trying to dig in and work a deal really hard and work those customers we don't think are deals. That was the whole point of that. I asked Brian to come in here to help us out for just a minute. You know, here's our process.